So yeah, previously we made a input method that can say you can switch using this continuous adjust slider and uncontinuous slider. But later I think about this. Sometimes uncontinuous slider is not like used a lot, but rather using a stepper. That's the best component for the scenario. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Pretty simple. Let's just add this. Maybe we can just use the exact same. Let me just. Maybe we can use exact same source. Yeah, like a priority here. So what I'm going to do is to just use the stepper. Right, really simple one, stepper, and you can say this priority slash because you want input this priority. I'm just copy it here. Right, priority, and then we can use value, and the value will be a binding. Let me just use priority as a binding. And we can say the integer is not integer, int, and from 0 all the way to say 10. Okay, so the stepper will just get 0 to 10, and you have to adjust that. Let's try this. Run this build. Got it here. Location, yeah. Okay, double. Oh right, we can't do this. It's not binding. Yeah, if you use binding, we just get a lot of error. It's not a lot of error. It's just to print out this binding. Okay, here, and add 1, 2. Right, you guys can see it's changing. Yeah, and of course you can bring it down. Of course, we don't need double for that. We can just use a simple integer. So what we'll do is to okay, let me go into have a little bit hack bar of not priority but rather priority int, and you can just use integer start with 0. So replace the priority with priority int. Okay, value with the priority int. That binding, yeah, that should be good to go. So it's separated with the slider, right? So the slider does not influence here, but if you can, right, 2, 3, 4, yeah, you can add a little bit of padding. It's a little bit, a little bit crowded. So let's add a little bit of padding, so it will not be too crowded. So it'll be much easier for you guys and you'll see the result, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and switch. Right.